Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster move, yeah, these lines still pertain, but they're not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these lines and move them up for some of these nearer term levels of support. So the newest ideal level of support, and I believe I talked about this in yesterday's video, but what do I mean by ideal support? If you say, Clay, look, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? 006 would now be that level. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 006, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But as it stands right now, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, then that would be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this breakout point right here at about 0047. So 006, 0047, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scope of things perspective, the easiest way to approach the chart is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. In regards to levels of resistance, pretty straightforward at this point in time. The sellers are sitting up there right at 0075. A couple different occasions, the bulls did try to get up through there. Couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice move again today. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.